Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare wild spinach, that is known as Bathua Saag in Hindi, and we also call it as lamb quarters. This is a wild form of spinach. We get this during winter. It is easily available in the market, and let me tell you, it has a lot of nutrition in it. It is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's a very healthy spinach that we should eat. So I'm going to prepare this Bathua Saag with potatoes. Here I have cubed this potato. I have cut and washed this saag nicely. As you can see, here I have chopped 3 medium-sized potatoes. I have cubed them. Tomatoes. I have removed the seed. I've taken one big tomato and I have removed the seed. This is one big onion. I have finely chopped it. Cumin seeds. I'll remove this. Here I have taken cumin seeds. This is half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 5 garlic cloves that I have chopped it like this. I've just cut them into small pieces. Small ginger peas, I have cut them diagonally. 2 dried red chilies that I have broken. This is red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder, friends. 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of hing. It tastes very nice when you add hing to green vegetables. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder also. Salt as per our taste. And I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a lovely flavor, friends. So now let's get started. So friends, first I have heated mustard oil. This is 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And now I will add hing, cumin seeds, ginger and garlic. Reduce the flame or else it will get burnt. And now the chopped onion. We'll saute this for 30 seconds. After sauteing it for 30 seconds, I will add the red chilies and the cubed potatoes. We'll fry it in this oil for 2 minutes. Now friends, I'm going to add the tomatoes and all the powdered spices, that is the turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. I'm not adding the garam masala powder now. I'll mix it. After mixing it, I'm going to add the salt. This will help the potatoes to get cooked faster and also the tomatoes. So add salt as per your taste. Mix it and cook this for over a medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once the potatoes get cooked almost 70 or 80%, we add the saag into it. So add the saag now. Reduce the flame and cover it for a minute. Now friends, after 1 minute, I'm going to remove the lid and just mix it. As you can see, the saag has started leaving its moisture. This is the time when we add the garam masala into it. So 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm using the powder, garam masala powder. After mixing the garam masala powder, I'll again close the lid over a medium flame and cook it for another 2 minutes. Now friends, we'll remove the lid. So as you can see, our potato and saag is ready now. We'll put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our Bathua Saag and Aloo sabzi ready. You can savor it hot with rice or rotis. Very nutritious recipe, friends. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.